Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create and manage virtual desktops in Windows. If you're looking to organize your workspace, increase productivity, or simply keep different tasks separated, virtual desktops can be a game changer. Let's get started. First, let's quickly explain what virtual desktops are. Virtual desktops allow you to have multiple desktops on your system, so you can organize your open windows and apps in a way that makes sense for you. It's like having multiple monitors, but without the extra hardware. Now, let's move on to the main part, creating a new virtual desktop with a shortcut key. Press Windows key, plus Ctrl, plus D. This will immediately create a new virtual desktop. As soon as you press these keys, you'll be taken to the new desktop automatically. To switch between your virtual desktops, you can use the following shortcut keys. Windows key, plus Ctrl plus left, arrow to move to the desktop on the left. Windows key plus Ctrl plus right arrow to move to the desktop on the right. If you're done with a virtual desktop and want to close it, here's the shortcut. Press Windows key, Ctrl F4 to close the current virtual desktop you're on. Don't worry, your open apps will be moved to another desktop automatically. These shortcuts are great for quickly managing your virtual desktops. You can use them to separate work tasks, keep your browser and work apps on different desktops, or just keep things tidy. And that's it. You now know how to create and manage virtual desktops in Windows using shortcut keys. I hope this helps you improve your workflow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.